Christmas card idea. Take a little lid, dip it into some watercolor, and just drop it on to some watercolor paper. We're doing 3. Then take clear water, and you're just going to use the paint from that outside circle to color your bauble. If you want a little bit more intensity, just steal a little bit of color off of your plate, drop it in. Do all 3, and then let it dry. When that's dry, you can add in extra balls if you'd like and treat them the same way. When it's dry, glue it onto a piece of cardstock. Take a stamp that has some kind of a holiday wish on it. Add that to your card. And then take a marker in either silver or gold, and you're just going to draw in your bauble top. And there you go. Nice, simple, cute little holiday card.